Hey there! This video is meant as a follow-up because I ran into an issue. So when our program from last time is running, we can load the web page without a problem. But when I terminate the terminal and I want to reload the web page, you see it's loading and it doesn't connect. So the problem is that by terminating the window, the program is stopped. So let's look at a solution. So what we're going to need is called cron. That's a scheduler to run background tasks and other things. And all the commands are linked in the description. You can install cron with sudo apt-get install cron. Now with crontab -e for edit, you get into this file. Normally you're prompted when it's the first time, press enter to use nano, that's to edit this, and then you are at this page. And what we are needing for rebooting is at reboot, then of course Python or Python 3, because our program is written in Python 3, and then we need our path where our program is stored. So let's find it out. So ours is under programming remote socket, and then the send all. Now with right click you can say copy path, and now we can go to the page and say paste path. And now this is the most important thing, you need to add an and symbol, because then the program is running in the background. So now with ctrl-x you can save it, then yes for saving it, and now you need to reboot the Raspberry Pi. Sudo reboot now. Okay, so we lost our connection. Now we need to wait till the Raspberry Pi starts up again. This is indicated by a green light at the back of the Pi. And when this is done, we can reload the page. And as you can see, by rebooting, the Pi is running our program. And is running in the background with no terminal connection or anything. Now that we are able to run our program from startup, the question whether we should shut down the Raspberry Pi overnight arises. So when you calculate that, the answer is no. Because first of all, the Raspberry Pi doesn't have a standby mode because it's just using like 2 to 3, 4 watts maybe, and it's not necessary to shut it down. But let's calculate it. So the average power consumption of the Pi is, when it's idle, 2 watts, so it's a little bit higher maybe. Then from a timer, from a manual one, it's 1 watt, and from the ones with the display, it's 2 watts. And now when we say that we're using it roughly from 10 to 24 o'clock, we need 3 watts times 14, and in the time we don't need anything, another 10 hours. So we're adding up to 52 watts usage. When we say we have an average power consumption of 2 watts and let it run 24 hours, it's actually less. So to round things up, I would say it's not necessary to shut down the Raspberry Pi, but if you do want you can do it with interrupt pins. That's better than with shutting it down with an external timer or something. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, then like it. Hit the like button. If you dislike it, please give me feedback in the comments and stay curious.